Hello everyone. Are you tired of losing money in your trades? If you want to put an end to these losses, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to introduce an incredible indicator with a great win rate, that will help you to gain a lot of profit. This indicator actual price is $299. But for my subscribers I will give you free. I will go through everything step by step and try to teach you each and every detail. First of all, open the mt4 platform and then select the USD JPY currency pair. Now I'll set my time to the 30-minute time frame for this strategy. But keep in mind that you can use this method on all time frames and this strategy can be profitable on all of them. Now it's time to add indicators to our chart. In total, 3 premium indicators are going to be used in this strategy. Let's get to applying the first one. If you don't know how to add the indicator to mt4, then I will tell you at the end of the video. As you can see, this indicator with simple and clear buy and sell signals, that we're going to use them to trade. This indicator contains one moving average and one volatility channel line graph. The trading signals given by the indicator are based on the moving average lines. If the line is blue, this means gives us a bullish or buy signal. If the red, it will show a bearish or sell signal. Volatility channel line graph will be used to set the stop loss. Now, how do we trade using this indicator? As I said, this is a simple trading indicator, which is very easy to use. And if you consider only one condition, you can trade with the indicator alone. For example, let's execute the trade here, and set the stop loss here. And then with this blue line we also slowly move our stop loss up. But still there is a problem with this setup. We are trading on 30 minutes time frame, and here we executed our trade and set stop loss here. The thing to note is that our stop loss here is getting huge. In this setup we have to follow proper money management. Now learn how we can reduce the stop loss. But before moving on to that, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and help the channel with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, now let me teach you how to reduce stop loss. For this, we will add another indicator to the chart. So as you can see, we have just added more indicators to the chart, which we will use to execute the trades properly, and trill up the stop loss. You can see it on the chart right now. You will also be seeing a lot of fake signals. We can eliminate all of these fake signals using the methods that I'm going to introduce later on this video. But before that, let's see. Where should we execute the perfect trades? So first of all, you see these 2 indicators below. To execute the trade of the buy, it is very important that both these indicators should be of green and blue color. And as I have already told you that the color of the candles should be green, and the first indicators also be blue. Also told you that if we execute the trade at the same time as the signal is created, then our stop loss becomes huge. And with such a big stop loss we never have to execute the trade, and we have to wait for the perfect position to execute a trade. As you see here, after some time the market has come near the blue line, and the indicator below has also come up a lot. So here if we take our trade, or set the stop loss in this blue line, we will get a stop loss of around 30 pips. And we will book our profit here when the market will touch or cross the blue line. You can also see MACD move down. We have got profit of around 210 pips. And 7 times more profit. This is amazing. Now let me show you some more examples using this method. You can see here, after the creation of the sell signal in the market has gone down very well. We could have made a very good profit by executing the trade. But there will be a question in your mind that all the signals that have been created before this, are all fake signals. I am telling you again to watch the full video slowly. I will tell you everything step by step. As I told you earlier that if we did instant trade then your stop loss would be huge. As here 180 pips stop loss. We cannot afford such a huge stop loss. So to execute the perfect trade we have to do some weight will come down the red line. If we execute the trade here, our stop loss will be around 15 pips. And in this trade, we have made a profit of around 230 pips. Which is almost 5 times our stop loss. So we know where to buy and sell in the market and where to set stop loss. Now we will know one such thing due to which 90% of the people make their losses. Which we know as sideways markets. Let's add another important indicator to the chart to trade the sideways market. So you can see. Here we have added the indicator to the chart. We must open the settings of the indicator, and change some things up so that the indicator can become more optimized, and efficient for our strategy. We move to the input section, and from there we change the fast smoothing period to 66, and the second smoothing period to 33. That's it. Now we can click on OK and close the tab. Let me explain how we will be using the line in strategy. The way we use it is that whenever the market price is above the zero line, it means that we're currently at an uptrend movement, and we're allowed to enter only buy trades. And if the market price is under the zero line, it tells us that we are in a downtrend movement, and we should enter only short or sell trades. Let's see, the indicator has worked with the first one. As you can see here, according to the first condition, here we can execute the sell trade. But according to the second indicator that we have added, here the market is on trend anytime now. Because of this, we will not execute a sell trade here and avoid a false signal. So you can also see here, how is the market going up and down? In such a condition, it is not clear at all where the trade should be executed. So it is very easy to avoid trades in such situations using this indicator. And when there will be a clear trend in the market, you will come to know very clearly, as you can see here. It is very easy to find out here where to execute trade and where to exit trade. Now that we've completely learned this strategy, I want to test it on the Euro USD chart within the 30 minutes time frame. And I want to see how much profit we could have made in these trades using this strategy. Now let's see how much profits are made with just these 50 trades. In only 50 trades in the Euro USD chart, we achieved nearly 1,800% profit. And this much profit in such a few trades is truly amazing and extraordinary. If you have watched the video completely, then I'm going to tell you a special trick that I use myself in trading. As you can see here, 30 minutes time frame is open in which we got a sell trade and we get a huge stop loss. I never execute the trade on such a big stop loss. And to minimize the stop loss, I would go for a smaller time frame like 15 minutes. You can also see it here. A very good sell signal has been generated in the 15-minute time frame also. But the stop loss is still 30 pips, which are also huge. To further reduce the stop loss, we will go for a smaller time frame like 5 minutes. So now even on a chat 5-minute time frame, the market is on a very good downtrend. See the white line where the down signal has been created in the 30-minute time frame. After that, we will do the same and wait according to our strategy. Market price to come close to the red lines. The market price has come very close to the red line. Here, in this position, we will execute our trade and set the stop loss at the red line. And one thing which is very important which you ignore. As you can see here, the market price is very close to our stop loss. So in such a situation, if you are trading with a high spread, so there are high chances that your stop loss will get hit. So I would request you to trade with zero spread. Trading on zero spread is provided to you only and only by IC Markets. So join the IC Market link in the description. But remember one thing, you will definitely enter the market after seeing them at the time of 5 minutes. But you will exit only after seeing them at the time of 30 minutes. I hope you will follow all the rules properly if you use the system. But if you want to know about another great strategy that is just one, make sure to watch this next video shown on the screen. Take care and goodbye.